Facing the Msftconnecttest redirect error on your Windows 11 PC? Here are 3 quick fixes to resolve this issue and restore your connection. Search CMD in Windows search box and then right-click and click on Run as admin. Now, run the command given below netsh winzock reset. Now, close the CMD window and try again. Go to Start and type Registry Editor in the search field. Left-click on the result to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to the below path: HK Local Machinum Systemo Current Control Set Services, Bachhal LASVCO, Parameter So Internet. Now, go to the right side of the pane and locate Enable Active Probing. Double-click on Enable Active Probing to open the Edit DWORD 32-bit Value dialog box. Go to Value Data and set the field to 0. Press OK to save the changes and exit. Now, restart your PC and try connecting to Internet. If it still does not work, follow the second method. Press Windows key plus R key together to open Run. Now, write mssettings.defaultapps in it and click OK. Now, search HTTPS in Set a Default Apps section and click on the search result. Now, select a different browser from the list. For example, if it is Edge, set it to Chrome. Click OK. Now, again, search HTTP in Set a Default Apps section and click on the search result. Repeat the same procedure. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.